Extreme atmospheric events are increasingly common in Italy. Strong gusts of wind with hail and rain hit Turin, especially in the southern part of the city. The hail stripped many trees, forming a carpet of torn green leaves on avenues and streets. Fire brigades made about 50 trips according to citizens' statements. At the moment there is no information about the victims. Huge damage and inconvenience to traffic occurred in At the moment there is no information about the victims. Huge damage and inconvenience to traffic occurred in the province. The bad weather at Casale Airport caused the postponement of 3 flights arriving at other airports. Tomorrow, a new circulation of depression will pass through the Alps, which will lead
After the flood in New York, heavy downpours caused flooding in the south of England, including in parts of the capital, London. This led to chaos on the roads. Streets turned into rivers, parks into lakes. According to Sky News, a number of train stations and London Underground stations were flooded, which had to